So there's something new about this elevator. And it hasn't gotten a fixture mod, but it did get a new pump. But the fixtures actually are going to be going very soon. But the manager was nice enough to let me, he's gonna let me have the old parts off the elevator. So that'll be nice. But I'm curious to see, they already switched out the pump. I guess they're doing they're modernizing this in phases, I guess. So they already switched out the pump, and in a month or two, they're gonna swap these fixtures out. I don't know what else they're gonna do. Perhaps they're gonna redo the cab. Maybe they'll leave it the same. I don't know. We'll have to see. But let's hear this new pump. Wow. Okay, I'll actually say it runs way better now. That was a major improvement. I mean, it wasn't bad before, but it's I swear it's faster now. I don't know though. It used to be, because I was walking past here one day, I was walking home from class, and I see the pump for this elevator sitting in pieces on the front lawn of the building. And I was like, oh shit, is this elevator getting replaced? So I go in and I talk to the people, and they're cool. And they said, we're just replacing the pump today, but we will be replacing the fixtures soon if you'd like them. And I was like, or that we will be replacing the fixtures soon. And I was like, oh, can I have them? And they were like, sure. But anyway, let's ride back up to 2. Just take a listen to that pump again. Yeah, honestly, I do think it's quite an improvement over the original pump. Original controller is definitely still relay controlled. But that's probably gonna go too in the coming months. I have a feeling if they're replacing the pump and the fixtures, the controller's gonna go too. Anyway. Here's a look at the cab for those of you who haven't seen it. Get over. Let's take one last look at the fixtures. Open the door. Yeah, I don't think they replaced literally anything except for the pump that time. But yeah, interesting how they're doing it in phases. There's the outside indicator. Here's what the call stations look like. Very nice. That's it.